Hi guys, and welcome. These are the principles you should remember and understand to succeed in staying motivated and in your exams. L.O.C.K.E.R. Starting with L. Little things. What does that mean? Most of the things you do are out of habit. I believe 41% of the things you do are because of habits. So set yourself up nice habits. If you have to stay at home, have a study environment. It's the little things that are important. The things you do daily define you. O. Organisation. Have a definite plan. Think and Grow Rich embraces this philosophy. If you have a definite plan of action and know where you want to go, you will be motivated as you know what you can do moving forward. C. Be concise. Know the basics very well. If you cannot add or subtract, then how do you think you would understand algebra? Start with the foundations. A house is built on foundations. That's what holds it up. K. Know thyself. Yes, this is from the Matrix. The Oracle says it. But what I mean by this is you should reject most advice. So something that works for me is not going to work for you. For example, I love to use a stand-up desk when I study in the library because I like to be on my toes and I like to move about. Know thyself. If you're disabled, are you gonna be able to do that? No. So reject most advice. E is elevate. So elevate your mind. Leaders of readers, read. Have gratitude for what you have. You're blessed to have this technology and have access to so many free online resources. And R, which is very important, is responsibility. At the end of the day, no one's going to do this exam for you. You need to take responsibility for your actions. That's all I have to say.